Hello everyone, welcome back to our Miss English Channel MEC class. Today, we will learn basic daily questions that you can use when meeting someone for the first time. Let's practice together.
That's right. These questions are very important for simple conversations. We will show you the examples, and you will repeat after us.
The first question is, what's your name? Now listen to our example.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah. And you?
My name is Tony.
Great! Now let's practice asking about age. The question is, how old are you?
I'm 25 years old. How old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
Okay. Now let's ask about health. The question is, how are you?
You can answer, I'm fine. I'm good. I'm great. Or I'm a little tired.
Sarah, how are you today?
I'm great. Thank you. And you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking.
Now let's practice asking where someone is from. You ask, where are you from?
I'm from the United States. Where are you from? Next question. How many people are there in your family?
I'm from the Philippines.
So, Sarah, how many people are there in your family?
You can answer like this. There are 4 people in my family. There are 5 people in my family. Oh, there are 6 people in my family.
There are 4 people in my family.
There are 5 people in my family. How about you?
What's your name?
Now, class, let's listen to a short natural conversation using all the questions.
My name is Tony. How old are you?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
I'm 25 years old. How are you today?
I'm 23 years old. How about you?
I'm from the United States. And you?
I'm great. Thank you. Where are you from?
There are 4 people in my family.
I'm from the Philippines. How many people are there in your family?
My name is...
Okay, class. Now repeat after us. What's your name?
I'm years old.
How old are you?
I'm from...
Where are you from?
There are people in my family.
How many people are there in your family?
Great job! Practice every day, and your English will improve faster. See you in the next lesson.
You all did an amazing job today. These questions are simple but very important in daily conversations. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Miss English Channel MEC class. Today, our lesson is about self-introduction. We will learn how to introduce ourselves in a simple and natural way. Here is the sentence pattern we will use today. My name is, I am years old. I come from, there are people in my family. My hobbies are, my dream is. In the future, I want to become a, now, I will call each student to introduce herself. Let's begin with student 1.
Hello, class. Welcome back to MEC English lesson. Today, our topic is self-introduction. You will practice talking about yourself using a simple structure. Here is the sentence pattern for today. My name is, I am, years old. I come from, there are, people in my family. My hobbies are, my dream is. In the future, I want to become a. I will call each male student to introduce himself. Let's start with student 1, David.
1. Anna. My name is Anna. I am 18 years old. I come from Japan. There are 4 people in my family. My hobbies are reading books and playing badminton. My dream is to travel the world. In the future, I want to become a tour guide.
1. David. My name is David. I am 20 years old. I come from Canada. There are 5 people in my family. My hobbies are playing football and watching movies. My dream is to study abroad in Europe. I want to be an engineer.
2. Maria. My name is Maria. I am 19 years old. I come from Spain. There are 3 people in my family. I like dancing and listening to music. My dream is to become a dancer. I want to be a choreographer.
2. John. My name is John. I am 21 years old. I come from the USA. There are 6 people in my family. I enjoy swimming and playing video games. My dream is to build my own company. I want to be a businessman.
3. Lily. My name is Lily. I am 17 years old. I come from Vietnam. There are 4 people in my family. My hobbies are drawing and watching films. My dream is to become an artist. I want to be a graphic designer.
3, 4. Prisa Tui. Mark, my name is Mark. I am 22 years old. I come from Australia. There are 5 people in my family. I love surfing and reading science books. My dream is to see the ocean in every country. I want to be a marine biologist.
4. Sophie. My name is Sophie. I am 18 years old. I come from France. There are 3 people in my family. I like cooking and photography. My dream is to create my own cookbook. I want to be a chef.
4. Charles. Daniel. My name is Daniel. I am 20 years old. I come from Germany. There are 4 people in my family. My hobbies are cycling and coding. My dream is to invent useful apps. I want to be a software developer.
5. Emma. My name is Emma. I am 19 years old. I come from the UK. There are 5 people in my family. I enjoy watching films and doing yoga. My dream is to live a peaceful life. I want to be a teacher.
4. Say 5 Kevin, my name is Kevin. I am 21 years old. I come from Singapore. There are 4 people in my family. I love playing basketball and reading manga. My dream is to visit Japan. I want to be an architect.
6. Olivia. My name is Olivia. I am 20 years old. I come from Italy. There are 3 people in my family. I like painting and baking. My dream is to open my own bakery. I want to be a pastry chef.
6. Jason. My name is Jason. I am 22 years old. I come from the Philippines. There are 6 people in my family. I enjoy singing and playing the guitar. My dream is to become a singer. I want to be a music producer.
7. Hannah. My name is Hannah. I am 18 years old. I come from South Korea. There are 4 people in my family. My hobbies are dancing and watching K-dramas. My dream is to perform on a big stage. I want to be a dancer.
7. Robert. My name is Robert. I am 23 years old. I come from New Zealand. There are 5 people in my family. I enjoy hiking and playing rugby. My dream is to climb Mt. Everest. I want to be a photographer.
8. Mia. My name is Mia. I am 19 years old. I come from Thailand. There are 4 people in my family. I like drawing and watching cartoons. My dream is to write a comic book. I want to be an illustrator.
8. Tom. My name is Tom. I am 20 years old. I come from Ireland. There are 3 people in my family. I enjoy running and reading history books. My dream is to travel to Asia. I want to be a history teacher.
9. Lucy. My name is Lucy. I am 21 years old. I come from Malaysia. There are 5 people in my family. My hobbies are cooking and watching shows. My dream is to start a food blog. I want to be a content creator.
9. Alex. My name is Alex. I am 22 years old. I come from Brazil. There are 4 people in my family. I love football and listening to rock music. My dream is to join a big football club. I want to be a professional football player.
10. Grace. My name is Grace. I am 20 years old. I come from India. There are 6 people in my family. My hobbies are reading and practicing yoga. My dream is to become wiser every day. I want to be a writer.
10. Ben, my name is Ben. I am 23 years old. I come from Mexico. There are 5 people in my family. I enjoy dancing and watching movies. My dream is to make people happy through art. I want to be an actor.
Wonderful job. Everyone, you all introduced yourselves very well. In the next lesson, we will practice asking and answering questions in pairs. See you soon.
Great work, everyone. You all practiced very well today. Keep speaking English every day to improve faster. See you in the next lesson.